This clip will demonstrate how to upload users from a CSV file to your Moodlecloud site. So I've logged into my CLG Moodlecloud.com page, and as you can see here, I'm at the highest level in the hierarchy where I can see my courses. So I'm not actually going to go into my Moodle GAA course at the moment. Instead, I'm going to go to Site Administration to upload some users. So Site Administration is here on my left. And when I choose Site Administration, there's a number of tabs that appear. The one I'm interested in today is Users. And when I choose Users, under Accounts, there's a list of options. And the one I'm going to go for is to upload some users. And the upload process, it means that you have your users already stored, in this case, in a CSV file, which is a form of a spreadsheet. So I'm going to choose my file, which hopefully is my desktop. And when I go to choose my file, here it is on my desktop, a CSV file, and it has some dummy usernames and passwords, because this is appearing on YouTube. I don't want to put in your actual usernames and passwords. Okay, and as you can see from the file type here, it's an Excel CSV file. Whereas if you contrast that to the file just below it, it's a regular Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm choosing the CSV file, which has some usernames and passwords and details like that. And then I'm going to, there you can see the file appearing here. So it's been selected, and then I'm going to upload it. So as you can see, it now is visible here, ready to upload. And there's some parameters here that you may want to change now and again. Normally, for a CSV file, a comma is the separator, so you won't be changing that. The UTF-8 format, I think, is typical of what's used in this case. And we could preview the rows if we wanted to in a minute, so you'll see that in a second. So I'm going to upload the users. And here we're getting a preview of the user names and passwords and their details. So what I've done is I have had to create some dummy users. So your email addresses aren't your official email addresses. You can see here I've just put in CLG instead of the normal ending there. And then these usernames and passwords are also just dummies in order to demonstrate this upload process. So that your actual usernames and passwords are going to be different to those, and they'll be made available to you via a CSV file that'll be visible on your own Moodle page or on the course Moodle page in a little while. Okay, so I've 15 users here, I think. Okay, and the settings, as far as I'm aware, that I need to use is the first one here is probably the most important one. So I'm going to just add the new users, and I presume skip existing users means it'll ignore or leave them alone. It won't delete them. It won't amend them in any way. Okay, so that's the option I'm choosing, to add new only and skip existing users. There's an option there to create a password and send it via email. And there's other options as well, like forcing people to change their passwords. So I'm going to leave them at the default. I'm not going to force you all to change your passwords for fear chaos breaks out. Okay, so I'm going to then upload my users. So the users have been uploaded, and if I now go to my user option here, my user link here on the towards the top of the page, I should see the current batch of users. So you're all going to be appearing here twice, I'd imagine. One under your one under your original names. Okay, so I'm going to go back here again and browse my users. Sorry. Okay, so when I browse my users, I have more users than I anticipated. I should have just 15, but you're all here on the double. Okay, so in other words, Connell is here as his GAA.ie address, and he's here also under this new address. Okay, obviously your usernames and passwords aren't visible, so that's the way it unfolds. Okay, so I'm going to be deleting those dummy accounts when this video is finished recording. Okay, so that's the proof of the pudding that the users have been uploaded. Okay, so what I'm now going to do is, in another clip, show you how to enroll those users on the GAA course. Okay, so uploading the users is step 1, and enrolling you then in a course is a separate screencast. So that's the end of this clip.